In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zendesk with Shopify. If you've been looking to streamline customer interactions and enhance your support efficiency by connecting these two powerful platforms, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure a smooth setup. To begin with, we will head to your Zendesk admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things Zendesk, offering a range of customization options to suit your business needs. Once you're there, locate the App Marketplace. Think of the App Marketplace as a treasure trove of productivity tools designed to enhance your Zendesk experience. Here, you can find a variety of integrations and apps that can be seamlessly added to your current setup. Next up, you'll want to search for Shopify for Zendesk. By doing this, you will bring up the app we need to install to start integrating Shopify with your Zendesk account. When you locate it, click on Install. At this point, you will be asked to authorize your Shopify account. This step is crucial because it grants permission for Zendesk to access relevant data from your Shopify store, setting the groundwork for synchronized operation. Once the authorization is complete, an exciting transformation occurs in your Zendesk interface. A Shopify sidebar widget will appear in your Zendesk tickets. This widget is a powerful tool for anyone dealing with customer queries as it consolidates essential order information right at your fingertips. Now, whenever you open a customer ticket, you can see their complete order history, current order statuses, any refunds processed, and a lot more, directly from within Zendesk. This widget is designed to bring efficiency and clarity to your customer interactions. Instead of toggling between different platforms or searching for order details, everything you need is right there in Zendesk, saving you time and allowing you to provide a more cohesive and informed response to your customers. Integrating Zendesk with Shopify creates a robust support system that helps you address customer needs quickly and accurately. It leverages the strengths of both platforms to offer a seamless experience. Whether it's handling negotiations, processing refunds, or simply checking an order's status, having this integration ensures you have the necessary context to deliver top-notch customer service. To wrap things up, you've just taken your customer support infrastructure to the next level by integrating Zendesk with Shopify. Remember, as businesses grow, integration like this becomes pivotal in maintaining efficiency and ensuring customer satisfaction. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.